We'd like to first begin by showing you how to run and operate Autobox DB. Select File Open to choose your database. You should also notice that Autobox is compatible with both Access and Excel files. Then select the problem that you'd like Autobox DB to forecast. You have the option to run one problem or run all problems. The Edit Variable Properties option is only limited to Access files, but this option will allow you to directly manipulate your variables such as leads or lags. So for example, if you know the price correlation should be negative, you're able to constrain the coefficient to be that certain sign. Autobox DB also uses a list of default customized settings that we feel are appropriate to properly analyze your data. The Use Existing Model option is only limited to Access files as well, but this is very useful if you've already run this problem before. You also have the option to take into consideration the effect of holidays on your data. Autobox DB is programmed to recognize about 14 different holidays. It's also important to adjust for pulses, level shifts, and seasonal pulses, because if you don't, these outliers could have a highly significant effect on forecasting your data. Default leads are how many periods before an impact or holiday you would like to have Autobox DB consider when forecasting. The same goes for default lags, which are periods after an impact or holiday you would like to have Autobox DB consider. Max interventions are a one-time event that you need to adjust for to properly extrapolate your data. The more data you have, the more likely there will be many outliers because of your increasing number of observations. We recommend that if your data is daily, you might want to use a number such as 80 or 90. Autobox DB has a standard default of rules of how many interventions should be used depending on your number of observations. For example, if you're using a database with a number greater than 300 observations, Autobox DB is automatically written to default to 15 interventions. These guidelines are more explicitly shown in the Autobox DB User's Manual. Once you've customized all of your settings, you can then begin running the software. If you experience any technical difficulties while running Autobox DB, we have a kill button which will stop it immediately. You can then begin by running your one problem or all problems with Autobox DB.